Okay guys, just a quick video because I just got a package in the mail and I wanted to do an unboxing with you guys. My sister, my partner, Janessa, lives in Washington, and she found this very large estate of a woman who had passed away. And so I think it was her daughter was selling it, but it was full of stones and real gold. And it was actually a very huge collection, so she couldn't just ship it all to me. I'm going to be getting the rest later, but she did send me a box of goodies to go through, so I thought you guys would want to see that. Okay, so it's a box of flushable wipes. I'm so excited to get my flushable wipes out. Okay, so I have not looked at anything in here yet. Just kind of dump it out. She told me that the stuff she was sending was mostly the stone jewelry and the gold-filled findings, beads and findings. So it's looking like all of these little containers are the gold-filled stuff. So I'm excited to go through that and get some of those up on the eBay store. And then I did see that some of these were Swarovski pearls. Okay, so it looks like there's also some like brand new strands. Those always sell really good, so we'll get, you know, that's a long strand. That's a necklace. Okay, so that's a necklace that the gal must have put together with cute lampwork beads. Big ones. Some big lapis. So, yeah. There's some that looks like it's going to be great for Christmas. I see some green cat's eye and red lampwork. I'm feeling like these are too long to just be bead strands. These are jewelry. These are necklaces and stuff. So it's always good to have my agents out there finding me good finds. And this was definitely a good one. I know from what she told me, there was another person. She was asking, I think, $1,400 or $1,500 for all these. And oh, those are real bronze pearls, so those are going to be spendy. From what she was telling me was there was another lady that had offered to purchase it, but she was kind of jerking her around on the price. So my sister offered her more. She ended up paying $1,800 for everything. But I mean, this isn't even a 20th of what we've got, and the best stuff is yet to come. So it'll probably be another month or so till she can get down here to Idaho and get that to me. But in the meantime, I get to play with all these goodies. But yeah, most of the stuff, at first I was thinking there was a lot of strands, and I think there is. Oh, that looks like mookiite. Mookiite, I don't know how to say that. But it's beautiful. Okay, so this is a necklace. 24 karat gold necklace. $118. Nice. So I think she sent me some pretty good stuff. All right, what is in here? I'm gonna have to dump some of this out. It's hard to see it through the bags. Ah, look at those. Perfect for Christmas. Look, Ari, Christmas beads.
Ooh.
It does, yeah. I love those. I'm a lampwork fanatic though, so. Oh, that's pretty. Look at that.
Oh, I love that.
That one's pretty. Ooh, there's some pretty pearls. What kind are they? Freshwater pearls. They look like Keishi pearls. They were $36, so they were some of the higher end ones. Not real high end, but you know, not the $5 cheapo strands. It's amazing how much you can fit in a box like this. So yeah, I think I know what I'm going to be spending this weekend doing. Putting up some of this stuff on the shops. I'm thinking some of the more expensive stone necklaces will go on Etsy, and then I'll auction off some of the strands and stuff on eBay. So get you guys some hot deals. Ooh, and look at that Chinese charoite stones. I love it. Those probably Swarovski crystals in there. Look like big ones though. Ooh. Those are some big ones too. I don't know, I come back to this one. I just like that one. Isn't that one cute? Like a little bug. It's like Some rhodonite beads, nice big boys. I feel like there's something cool in here. I don't know. Let's take a look. It's like wire wrap stuff, which I have a particular soft spot for. Lots of fun stuff to play with. But yeah, I'm really excited about all these stones. I really am surprised how much she fit in that box. I haven't even reached the bottom yet. And lots of check glass still in the package, which is always good. Some clay rondelle beads. More crystals. More check. Big stones. Oh, pink opal. Oh, big pink opals. Oh, so big.